We'd like to invite you to purchase our My Identity coins at our international service centers. Now is the best time to buy them at their lowest price because it can easily grow 10 times or more within the next 6 months. The current trading price as of July 31st is $0.001 US, but we're confident it'll increase to $0.01 US, 10 times by the end of this year through intensive marketing events and through hundreds of thousands of new coin holders at our new international service centers such as South Korea, USA, Japan, Germany, Philippines, and Indonesia to open at the end of this year.
Hi. Okay, sure. Thank you.
A few benefits of holding a minimum amount of our MYID coins are getting traditional financial services such as money changing or remittance for free,
Thereby saving our coin holders money, and they're also getting an early investment opportunity.
It's a win-win no matter how you look at it. It's a great incentive for people to come on board, join our community, and support our global project. To buy your MYID coins today, visit our first international service center in Singapore or from any of the exchanges we listed below. These international service centers are the future of banking. Everyone can save money using these services. Our community success will go viral and will go to the moon, one block at a time.